I'm going in with Old Faithful here. She been rocking with me for some years, y'all. So I'm gonna go in and buff the shine off each nail tip here, okay? These are a pop-off set. That's why you didn't see me do any prep. I got some alcohol in this jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this polygel to each nail. And again, if you missed what I said these are pop-off nails. So yeah. I might get a little messy here, but don't worry about it. Just trust the process because it's gonna all come together, okay? So I got some alcohol here again, like I say, and I use this here alcohol as my slip solution. This is how I create my apex. I start off just like that at the free edge, and then I slightly brush it up here to the cuticle area. I take the tip of that and I bring it on down. See that? See, that's how I form my apex. It takes a little work, but girl, the outcome be so well worth it. See? It might have been a tad bit too much, but you know, hey, it's all for the better. Because whatever I don't use on this nail, you better trust and believe, sis. I'm going to take it off and use it for the next nail. That's all I'm about saving products over here. I don't know what you're talking about, Willis. What you talking about, Willis? Anywho, I'm going to pat her and bring her down. See how I keep on wiping the sides? That's just to keep that shape, girl. So, hey, minimize all that filing. Because ain't nobody got time to be doing all that filing. We got other things to do around here. Okay. So, I'm going to do her like that. See how that goes? Apply more polygel to the free edge here. Like that. There. Okay. Let me see. I'm going in with my alcohol again. I'm going to pat her till I cannot pat her no more. Now I'm going to pat her all the way up to the cuticle area again. See? Like that there to that cuticle area. Thinning that out like that there. To create my apex, okay? And now I'm gonna go over this hump like that there, and then I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna thinly pat her. And again, I say I'm gonna add some more polygel, right? Now, this may not be how everybody else do it, but this is how I do it, okay? This is not Martha's kitchen. This is not Martha and Snoop Dogg's kitchen. This is my kitchen. Over here, I cook the way I